And here's my next lawnmower find. I got another red in color. This is a Troy Bilt with a 6.5 horsepower Z-Start engine, 30% easier to start. And this is a 21-inch push mower that does not run. Doesn't look as nice as the last one that I got. I'll compare these two. He said it would just start and cut right off. Let's see if we can get it to do the same thing here, recreate that. And it's got some oil in it. Might be a bit overfilled and looks a little dirty, but at least it's got oil in it. It does have compression, so that's a good sign. And this is a primer bulb Briggs and Stratton engine. Could be the original spark plug in here as well. We got some rust here and some bubbles of rust over here. There's no side chute they gave with this. Underneath doesn't look too bad. Blade definitely needs sharpening. And it looks like the blade adapter is at least not broken like the last one. We've got some paint peeling on the front here. So let's check the air filter in this and show you a little bit more about this Troy Bilt. I think this air filter may have been cleaned before. We're going to clean that off again and put this back in. Here's a model and serial number of this Troy Bilt. And the bag has one hole in it, I see, from the bottom. Other than that, it's just worn. Here's the engine's model and serial number if that comes through. Looks a little rusty here. And we have more paint bubbling here. And a very greasy engine. Check the wheels out. He said he could not get this lever to raise and lower, so I have to oil that. Same side over here. Couldn't get these height adjustments to work. We'll get that fixed. It does have the original blue handle on here. Most times you get these lawnmowers, they have replacement handles. That and the rope seem to be in really good shape. And here's the back of this lawnmower where the bag sits. And we're showing some surface rust on here. And let's look for rust here. And we have some. Not the greatest condition Troy Bilt I've gotten. Let's see if we can recreate what it's doing, which is not starting. And we have some gas in here. Let's see if we can recreate what it was not doing, which would start when you prime it and then cut right off. If that be the case, it's got a fuel related problem to it. Let's give it a try here. Here we go. It just started and cut it off. It cut off when we were looking at it. Running a little rough. run a bit and see if it will cut off, but right now the Troy Bilt is running